So, this is what we got so far for the Mako total knee setup. You got the Mako arrays right here. Some Ioband triathlon core tray. And there's our knee tray. Put together with the doctor's preferences tray. We use Exparel as our local anesthetic. Yeah, man. Up here we got the 45 degrees and the 90 degrees. You got a Richardson, 2 rakes, a couple skin markers, some ChlorPrep. You got a cob, a small cob there, along with that wide osteotome. A Ferris Smith or a Bonnie force up there. I think that's a Bonnie. A couple rongeurs, a snatch, a Ferris Smith. Keep our drapes on another table because it makes life a little bit easier. You don't have stuff all over the place. This is a Mako robot. Hey, Elsa.
Hey.
Here's the other part of the Mako robot. So, just wanted to show you what we got so far. It took a little bit of time to set up. There's a lot of stuff. So, yeah, that's what we got. I'm gonna scrub back in so that I can drape the robot, and I will show you guys how I drape the robot.